everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a box from PINCHme that I'm going to be sharing with you. What's today? We're in October. Last month was September. This is the August box. And yeah, it usually takes about a couple months, a month and a half or more. Yeah, I just opened it. I'm gonna go inside and share with you what I got. So the first thing is a coffee sample. This one is by Folders and it's called 1850, and it is a black gold dark roast coffee. So yay for a coffee sample. The next sample is the Clairol Root Touch Up Concealing Powder. So I don't know a whole lot about this. I've seen advertisements, social media, whatnot, but it's a concealing powder. And on the package, it looks like it comes in a palette with a little brush you just use to brush up on your roots or even your brows. But it came with some different shades to try it. Yeah, I guess these are little applicators you use to swipe on the color. So instead of a brush, there's these little things. So hopefully those will work in giving me an idea. Yeah. How easy it is to use and what it does. The next thing in here is a tea, and it's organic India tea. It has a $1 off coupon on the back. Oh, and there's two in there. Nice. One's Balance and one's Thrive. So it's a probiotic and functional tea for wellness from Prevention and Organic India. So I had never heard of this brand before PINCHme. The next thing in there is the RX Nut Butter. This one is in the flavor peanut butter. There's different flavors though, and it just has a few ingredients in it. Yeah, you can just either eat it straight from the package or spread it on like fruit or however you want to eat that. Next sample is from Fancy Feast, and it's Appetizers in the flavor skipjack tuna appetizer with a soul topper and a delicate broth. That was a mouthful, huh? Just like that. Get your cat's purr motor going. Cute. And then the very last sample in there is Moroccanoil, and it is it says it's for all hair types, Moroccanoil treatment. And oils, I've used hair oils, and I don't eat a lot, so that's a good size sample, I think, for an oil product. I'm actually gonna try this right now. Has a little bit of a scent to it. Ooh, I was thinking it would be more thinner of a consistency, but it's actually a thicker type liquid. I think that's all I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna use it on this little, that might be too much for this little bit of hair. It smells good. So that was just an impromptu demo. But I'm gonna rub the rest into my hands. So yeah, just has a light scent to it. There's not much of a scent. I'll fix my hair later. I just kind of roughly did that, but that's everything in my PINCHme box. So very excited for everything that I got. Link is below if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.